What's up, guys, and good morning. Good morning. Okay, today we're going to be talking about, again, the Cash Building System Unlimited and why it is the best side hustle. If you are interested, then stay tuned. Hi, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Sandra, full-time master data analyst, a mother of 3, and a grandmother of 2. Today, again, we're going to talk about the Cash Building System Unlimited and why I feel it is the best side hustle. Let me tell you a little bit about my story, the reason why I decided to try this system or this program is because I am looking to retire early. I have been in the online space for quite some time. I have made money, but not the kind of money enough for me to be able to have a significant amount in order to, basically retire. I mean, let's just be honest. But one thing I will say is that I'm not going to give up. Um, and that's why I decided to, for the new year, I decided I was going to try something totally different. See how it worked out. See, just something to help give me more discipline. I feel like I'm very disciplined already, but I need a little bit more so that I can stay more consistent. At this time, I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and I work my business, and then I go to my regular job at 7:30. The blessing about my regular job is that I still do work from home. That can also be a blessing and a curse all at the same time. So let's get into it, okay? We are back at the website of the Cash Building System Unlimited. Um, like I said, the reason why I think that this is the best side hustle is because you have several options when you already work a full-time job. You can go out and get a part-time job, work 20 hours a week for, mm, depending upon what you're looking for. Because of everything that's going on in the economy today, a lot of businesses have tried to up their pay, but because of the thought of having to go out of your home to work another job 20 to 30 hours a week, it just wasn't appealing to me. And I believe in working smarter and not harder. And if I feel like I can put those same amount of hours into a business of my own, then why not? I would do the same thing if I say, for instance, I was going to go and work a second job outside of my home. There still is going to be some costs associated with that. At the same time, you have a boss, you have a schedule, you're not flexible. You have to work when they say to work, and you have to do the work that they say that you need to do. So basically, you're leaving one job and going to another job, and the whole point of everything that I'm trying to do is to get away from jobs, get away from trading hours for dollars. That's the main point. And that's why I say the Cash Building System Unlimited is the best side hustle that you can do. With a little bit of an investment, and let's go down here to, okay, right here, the Cash Building System Unlimited. You start out in phase one, which is $50, okay? $50 for the first investment. With that $50, you're going to receive 200 postcards and 200 names, okay? And that phase two, you can go to phase two after that. With the phase two, if you upgrade within the 2 weeks of joining or after paying the $50, you will be automatically bumped up to the next level. So in other words, if you come in, we do have a level 2, but if you come in at level 1 at 100, they'll bump you to level 2, which is 300. And then if you come in at level 3, which is 500, they'll bump you to level 4. Now I'm not sure, but I'm going to check into that to see if level It's a $300 payment. It's still optional and it's still available. But as you can see right here, you get a $70 commission if you bump up to 100. Basically what that means is that if anyone joins under you and they upgrade and they pay $100, you're going to get 70 of that $100. If they come in under you and they pay 500, you're going to get 350 of those dollars. If they come in under you at 1,000, you'll get 700 of those dollars. Now, here's the glitch. If you're not upgraded, let's say for instance, you're upgraded to level 2, um, and so if you have someone that signs up under you and upgrades to the $1,000 and you're only upgraded to $500, you're only going to receive that $350. Okay, you're only going to receive the $350, and the override of the rest of that money is going to go to the following your sponsor, whoever sponsored you. This is why I tell you, come in at your strongest level, but don't come in so strong that you don't have any money to market or mail out your postcards. Now, if you want to do online marketing, that's perfectly fine, as long as you have an understanding of how to go about that. When you join this program, we do have an awesome Facebook group that gives you access to a lot of information uh, um, to help you further your business in any way possible. This beats trading your hours, your time for money. With this, just think about it. You putting in 20 hours a week to market or mail out postcards, make videos, post on social media, place ads or what have you, or just go out and put down drop cards around the city, all that effort. And if you can make $350 or $700 in a week, if you just got one and made $700 in a week, that will definitely override your part-time job. I mean, think about it. You have a part-time job. That part-time job, if you work and they paid you $15 an hour, let's see if I can get a calculator on here so that we can have a better understanding. Okay, let's type in calculator here. Computer's running a little slow this morning, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so here's my calculator. Okay, let's say that you work $15 an hour and you working 20 hours a week. Okay, good. Back 20 hours a week. Okay, so that's $300 a week. Not only did you have to leave your home, you also had to um, go into the environment, working with other people, depending upon what you're doing. I mean, you can do janitorial work where you're not surrounded by people, physical labor, which is physical labor. But the point is that it's still effort. You still have to go out your house. You have to spend money for gas to get to where you need to go. That's $300. Now, if you do that every week times 4, so for that month, you've made $1,200. Now let's say that you're at the $500 level with the um, cash building system unlimited. So you get 350. Okay, you're putting in the same amount of hours. You're not paying for gas. You're not leaving your house. You're not doing physical labor. So let's just say you just get one a week. And one person that upgrade, you're only making 350 a week. Let's see what that puts you at. 350 times 4. Okay, you're at $1,400. You got $200 more. You're saving money on gas. You're not doing physical labor, and you're not leaving your home. You're in the comfort of your own home, and you're making this money. Now, this is another great thing about this business. Once you get the momentum going and you start mailing out postcards or you start marketing more and advertising, it's going to build up what we call a pipeline. And that pipeline is going to start making the income come in residually. Because remember, you not only get paid on your efforts, you also get paid on your the people that come under you. You get paid on their efforts. So there's a two-tier here, position 1 and position 2. So like I said, if you do make 350 and the person you brought under you um, also get someone to sign up for $500, that's another $100. So let's say that after that first month, you got $1,200. That means that you got 4 people to upgrade under you to the $500 level, right? And let's say that they've gotten up, each one of those 4 people got 1 person each, okay? And let's say that let's see how much that is. Like I said, you get that extra income of $100 when you have those that upgrade, and you got 4 people. So you got additional $100 times 4 plus the $1,400 that you're already making because you're getting 1 person to sign up every week. So let's say plus 1,400. That's $1,800 a month. Okay, extra income as your side hustle. Again, you're not leaving your home. You're not putting gas in your car. No physical labor. All from the comfort of your own home. And this can keep growing month after month after month if you keep being persistent, keep putting out content, keep mailing postcards, keep being persistent. If you keep doing that, each month that money can grow and you're still working the same amount of hours. Now, if you worked a part-time job and you did 20 hours, you can't make no more than that $15. Bottom line, all you're going to make is $1,200 unless you put in more time. More time means more time away from your family, more physical labor, more of being in the environment. Okay? So, this is why I said Cash Building Systems Unlimited is the best side hustle than anything because you don't have to leave, and eventually over time your money is going to grow and start expanding, and you're working the same amount of hours and doing the same thing. The only difference is you're being consistent. Okay, you're going to be consistent in that part-time job because you're going to keep going. You're going to keep going so that you can get paid. Same attitude. Same attitude. You want to keep going with the Cash Building System Unlimited so that you can keep getting paid. Okay? Makes sense to you guys? All right. Well, look, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. And um, click the link down below in the description box. Sign up today. It's time to get started. It's time to start that side hustle, make that additional income, have more money coming in without leaving the comfort of your home. Okay? Again, the link is in the description box. Also, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.